Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to introduce you to a very special little friend of mine. This is the face trimmer by VOGCREST, and this little baby is just the best. So let me explain what I mean. First of all, I love how easy it is to just turn on and off with just a click. And I'm about to embarrass myself here, but it has a lot of different features that you can use to just get rid of this unwanted hair. So that's the eyebrow trimmer, and then it has this feature that you can get all this little peach fuzz off of your cheeks, and don't forget about above your lip there, get all that off. And I wanted to show you, it's kind of hard to see here, but if you could see the hair, the fuzz that came off of that. So I also wanted to show you how easy it is to switch the heads here, and you have a fitting that's for areas that have more hair on it. I want to show you a demo of how this works. So I'm doing my arm here, and yeah, my husband was a little curious as to why I had such a smooth spot on my arm. But it works really great. It gets all of these little unwanted hairs out of there, and it doesn't hurt to touch. And then it's super easy to clean. It collects all the hair, and it comes with a little brush that you can just brush all that out. I'm just going to put it on my floor, and Roomba will pick it up later. So I also wanted to show you how easy it is to charge. You just plug it in, and then it's got a USB port, and you can plug it into any outlet. It also comes with a cute little carrying case. So overall, I'm very happy with my little face trimmer. It just really helps to get rid of all those little fine hairs and face fuzz that you get as you get older. Isn't that just wonderful? But I highly do recommend this. I think that you'll really like it. It works great, and that's my point of view.